If you want to create a website without installing anything directly in your browser, Replit is one of the easiest ways to do it in 2025. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to build, run, and publish a website using Replit, even if you're a complete beginner. And by the end, you'll have a live website with a public link that anyone can open. So firstly, of course, let's make an introduction and let me tell you what is this service. So what is Replit and why it's great for websites? So Replit is a cloud-based coding platform that lets you write and run code entirely in your browser. For websites creation, Replit is a powerful tool because no local setup required, instant preview of your site, supports HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, can deploy your site with one click, and it's perfect for beginners, students, freelancers, and anyone testing ideas fast. And now, in terms of how do you even begin? Well, it's pretty simple. It's recommended to create an account, of course, right over here. I'll show you how, and after that, when you create an account and log in, on the left in here, you will have all of your apps and everything that you've created, including the websites, and saved, ready to open up, edit them, adjust them. Maybe if you code, you can edit the code, and yeah, you can customize them in any way you like. So press on create account, and in here we are able to make one by using either of these services, starting from Google, ending with Apple, and of course you can just use your email if you wish and sign up this way. And then when you sign up, this is going to be the interface. It's almost the same, but as you can see, on the left now, we have the apps section, and if you hover over it with your mouse, we have all of the recent apps that we have created or viewed. And you can just open them up easily and continue where you've left off. And now guys, how do you create a website? It's actually pretty simple on this Replit website. As you can see, we have this field where you can describe your idea. So it's pretty much just like any other AI service. You just type in a prompt in simple terms, but make sure to include all the details that you wish and that you think is important to you. Do not miss that. The more detailed your prompt is, the better outcome you will have and the better website you'll have. And in here, as you can see, you don't have to change anything almost. We just create a web app or just a website, or you can just switch to general. And in here, as you can see, we can just create some other things, but just don't change it. We can just build the website in here. And the prompt field is pretty much where your magic happens. Think of it like telling a designer exactly what you want. And for example, let me just give you a prompt. I can also read it out. So for example, create a responsive portfolio website with a homepage, about section, contacts form, and navigation menu. I use modern styling, a hero banner, and optimized layout for mobile and desktop. So let me just type this in and we will continue from there. Okay, so here is my prompt, and just press on start to begin creating. Also, don't forget, just like I said, to be specific. The more detail you give, the better the AI will generate your site. After you type your prompt, hit enter or generate. Replit will begin building your project automatically, as it does right now. And this is pretty much going to be our interface that you'll be working with 99% of the time. And what do we have? So on the left, we have the agent, as you can see, that is currently telling us what exactly is he doing, what's he creating, what's he working on, so you can just see the progress as the website is being created. Then on the center, we have the code editor, which lets you view and tweak any file. Alright, so I think I have hit the limit on my free plan, but doesn't matter. And this UI layout's changed as well. It's now different. So we have the agents on the left, our editing panel on the center, and as you can see, we have toggle files. This is your file explorer on the right. And then when your website is generated, it's going to appear here soon. You can just press on run or preview button and your website will render live right inside Replit. If you want to change the text, update colors, add images, or tweak the layout, just edit the fields in the editor, which is right over here. If you want AI help for specific edits, like make the nav box sticky, you can open the chat assistant and ask it to make these changes for you. Don't forget the field to input your text will be here on the left. And then you're not limited to the initial design. In the assistant chat, you can ask for new sections. For example, add a blog page with posts and a comment section. Also, you can add interactivity. For example, the prompt will be make the contact form send emails using form submit. Also, you can improve your design, apply a dark theme with hover animations, and Replit AI can generate the additional code based on your prompts, all inside the same project. And then when you're ready to publish your website, you can just press on publish, or if you want to fine-tune it, maybe with your friends or someone who's more experienced, you can add them as a multiplier and you can code together with them in real time in here on Replit. And then when you wish to publish, press on publish. You choose the domain, either the Replit one or your custom one, and then you just publish your website for other people to see. And that's pretty much it. Don't forget that there are some mistakes you can make. Being too vague in your initial prompt is bad. Trying to generate too many features at once and skipping preview checks after AI changes. So make sure to not do these mistakes. And that's how you create a website on Replit. From idea to prompt to live site, all in your browser. If this video helped, like and subscribe and check the description. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.